Form I-9 verifies you're authorized to work in the United States. Every employee fills out Section 1 on their first day. The employer completes Section 2. Let's walk through Section 1 in FormsPal. Start with your legal name, last name, first name, and middle initial, exactly as on your Social Security card. Add any other last names you've used, like a maiden name. Enter your current address, street, city, state, and zip. Use where you actually live, not a P.O. box. Then your date of birth, your Social Security number, and your email and phone. The Social Security number is optional unless your employer uses E-Verify. Now the key part. Attest to your status. Anna checks a citizen of the United States. If you're a lawful permanent resident or an authorized non-citizen, you'd check that box instead and add your document numbers. Sign and date Section 1. Then your employer completes Section 2 from your ID documents. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.